Meanwhile, after the desktop computer kick-started the digital revolution in the 90s, it is artificial intelligence technology, which all sectors have incorporated to dictate how people work, play, recreate, and do business. Hence, AI is at the top of the agenda in the first PR Congress that kicked off today, as we hear more from our BN Vini Manalo.
Emmanuel Pastolero has been a public relations practitioner for 12 years. But before he entered the PR industry, he was a journalist for 6 years in a media agency. His adjustment to the industry change was not that difficult. He admits, though, that the new technology being used is one of the challenges that they are facing as a PR practitioners. So he continues to study and hone his skills.
We try to equip ourselves as much as we can. We try to discuss with clients how we can best deliver for them.
Emmanuel was one of the PR and communication practitioners who attended the 32nd Annual PR Congress organized by the Public Relations Society of the Philippines. This is the annual and largest gathering of PR practitioners and communication leaders and innovators from different parts of the Philippines. The Congress developed a way to address various challenges facing the PR industry today, including the rapid rise of innovative technologies such as artificial intelligence or AI. Commitment to the Code of Ethics was also emphasized to ensure that the information shared with the public remains true and accurate.
We were responding to the changes that were happening then. We are responding to the changes that are happening now. We are here to create positive relationships. We want to establish that.
So as PR practitioners, it is our role always to be adept and to always constantly evolve in terms of being creative, in telling our stories.
Madaming importanteng topics in the PR industry right now that are happening na matatakel dito, especially in terms of emerging technologies like artificial intelligence.
Presidential Communications Office Secretary Dave Gomez pointed out the important role of PR practitioners and communication professionals in fighting fake news and disinformation in his message as one of the guest speakers. He said integrity and truth must still prevail now that the fake news is spreading.
But our duty as communicators extend beyond our principles. We have a bigger duty to the public to make sure that they are properly, correctly, and constantly informed. Because in the end, truth and facts are what matters.
BN Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.